Deputy Commissioner jang RIBHOI District arpit upadaya ulalum ya kajang jogi sangsai partai bakam uru ke officer bapenya ke election banyak kan kamta kasinyo vote kata kasdei lasai kasni hakani ga jarang le shime karai ba kin ne pasa yak sangsai banda kalang jong Deputy Commissioner ula pensha shekenang ikmat ki sangsai partai paper ula kan mauru ba RIBHOI District la penjari ya ka kenal chispa sau si RPC hakba omsha ini banyak ba dan banyak presiden hadir madap pemenaya ke result boleh tu uru lagi nak aku bor ba kini ki buka banyak kemen nak si kap jing betwa nak lang jeng ke bor Shah District ya kini ka jingelang lap lang apa conference hall ka bade apa office jeng Deputy Commissioner jeng ka RIBHOI District mentakasni.
This meeting was called in the presence of all the counting supervisors, all the AROs and the political parties, and the purpose of this meeting was to brief the political parties about various rules of the counting, the protocols of counting, and to clear their doubts, whatever if they were having. So the meeting has been concluded very successfully. Whatever they had asked certain doubts, it has been cleared. The mandates of ECI, the requirements of various forms that have to be signed, the procedure of counting has been explained, and again the one appeal has been made to maintain the law and order for after tomorrow's or after the results tomorrow, and they have been briefed about section 144 which is there, and regarding this like the meeting has been concluded on this.